Any new developments in Attorney Simmons' case? May mga leads na ho ba?
Well, kung tinatanong ninyo kung napusisi na namin ang kaso, well, let me just say na we're not quite ready to pop the champagne bottle just yet. But we do have some juicy tidbits na siguradong ikakagulat ng lahat.
Bestie, ini-interview si Attorney Renan. Ito yung live, oh.
Mukhang may pasabog.
May nakalap na tayong solid evidence laban sa alleged perpetrator.
Attorney, can you tell us who's the suspect?
Well, think of it as the plot twist that you didn't see coming.
Attorney, can you tell us who the suspect is?
Excited? Kumbaga sa teleserye, wala pa nga tayo dun sa climax. Ending na agad, gusto nyo malaman at mapanood. Rest assured, we're doing our very best to capture our villain. And trust me, when we do, it'll be worth the wait.
Alam na nila kung sino pumatay kay nanay?
Sino kaya yun, anak?
Teka. Bakit sila lang ang nakakaalam?
Oo nga. Hindi ba dapat ina-update ka nila?
Wala pa silang sinasabi sa'yo, Bestie? Ayun na nga yung pinagtataka ko eh. Bakit wala man lang nag-update sa akin na may development na sa kaso ni nanay?
Di ba, anak? Kausap mo si Atty. Spunky? Wala ba siyang nabanggit sa'yo?
Wala po. Isasabihin niya naman sa akin kung may nalalaman siya eh. Alam na rin kayo ni Ira po.
Attorney, can you please reveal more information? Attorney, can you tell us other processes about this case?
My God, Cons. They must have found something. What if may evidence na sila against me?
Okay. Let me make some calls. I'll get some updates from my contacts.
Paano kung may alam na sila?
May alam silang tukol sa ano? You're overreacting, Lorena. You were just at the scene, di ba? You talked to Meredith, right? That's it.
Si Ino. Hindi dapat madamay si Ino dito. We have to get him out of here now.
Damn it, Lorena. What's happening to you? Bakit ka ba nagkakaganyan? Is there something you're not telling me? Huh?
Pati si Attorney Allen hindi sinasagot yung tawag ko.
Diyos ko. Ano na bang nangyayari?
Sino kaya ang pumatay kay Atty. Mir? Kasama kaya doon yung mga unang suspects?
Basta ako, sigurado ko si Patricia. Oo, kasi nga, hindi ba, sumugod dito kagabi, lasing na lasing. O malamang yon na ikanta niya yung krimen na ginawa niya. Patricia yon.
Kurt, buti naman nandito ka na. Napanood mo ba yung interview ni Attorney Allen? Alam na daw nila kung sino pumatay kay nanay. May alam ka ba doon?
Wala eh. Nagulat nga din ako eh.